What is going on here?
Bakit hindi mo itanong dyan sa magaling mong ina? Di ba dapat yung gusot ng pamilya mo pinaplansya mo? Hindi yung buhay namin ang pinapakialaman mo.
Ma'am, I think that's enough. Attorney Mayor, sana naman ho kasi huwag niyo nang i-discuss yung kaso ko. Matagal na hong tapos yun.
So is it true? Na inuungkat mo ang dating kaso ni Ino?
Hindi naman. I'm just clarifying some things.
Oh please, Matty. Naipanalo na yun ang magaling mong anak. Kaya wag mo nang ungkatin.
Did you see that, Spanky? Did you notice how Lorena just gaslighted us and manipulated the situation? For all you know, yan ang ginawa nila kay Lilet, kaya ayaw bumitaw sa kanila yung bata.
Is this still about Sarin's case? Ino's or Lalat?
Lahat! This situation just opened up a can of worms. What if guilty talaga si Ino? At may ginawa talaga siya dun sa anak ni Ramir. Tapos minamanipulate lang ni Lorena ang buong sitwasyon. And then ginagamit lang pala nila si Lilet. I need to protect my daughter.
You have compounding points, Mer. Maybe Lorena is right. How can you help others when you haven't sorted out your own problems yet?
Hindi naman tamang talikuran kong tungkulin ko bilang isang abogado. O kaya bitawan ko na yung mga kaso ko. Lalo na itong kay Siren. May nagsasabi sa loob ko na hindi ko dapat ito bitawan.
How many times do I have to tell you? Wala akong masamang ginagawa. At mas lalong hindi ko alam kung bakit inuungkat ngayon ni Attorney Mer ang kaso ko noon kay Trixie.
You always say that, na wala kang ginawa. Bigla nagkaka-amnesia ka pag may kalokohan kang ginagawa. Na-hospital si Trixie dahil sa away niyo.
Cons,
And now this?
Cons. Tama na. Hindi ko na kasi dapat sinabi sa encounter namin with Meredith kanina eh.
I mean, if you have nothing else to say, can I go now?
Hey, I'm not finished with you. Nalusutan mo yung problema mo noon. What makes you think na mauulit-ulit yun, na makakalusot ka ulit? Ano? Siswertehin ka lang ulit? You know, you have to tell us the truth so we know how to handle it.
What's the point kung anong totoo sa akin, Dad? Kung wala naman kayong balak paniwalaan ako. Kung wala naman kayong gustong gawin, kundi sumbatan at maliitin ako.